Good evening, everyone. Thank you for joining in today's meeting. As you have known, we are here to discuss and seek endorsement for our strategic plan 2021 of our organization, FERCA, Fiji. Our goal is to improve our operation and better the service for our stakeholders, internal and external. And I'll start up by summarizing the plan and addressing the feedbacks that I have received from my email earlier to you according to our meeting plans. To begin with, in front of you, as you can see, is our strategic plan. We aim to focus on the 5 key priorities areas on corporate culture change, customer service, revenue collections, border security and governance. Our objective includes enhancing our corporate culture in improving our customer service, transparency, revenue collection, strengthening on the border of security, and ensuring active governance. Now let's address the feedback that we have received from the previous assessment. We were advised to improve on the following areas: customer service, quality, transparency in communication, and stakeholders engagement for both internal and external. And we have made plans to address these concerns. So I put out on the table for both stakeholders.
Thank you. Initiative to improve transparency and communication are great. However, we might need to bolster our support resources to handle increased customer interactions and feedback. Additionally, enhancing our CMR system will help streamline the service delivery. Could you elaborate on the specific changes so customer can on customer protocols? What steps are you taking to enhance our transparency?
Certainly, we're introducing customer service improvement program in which developing a customer character, conducting regular customer satisfaction surveys, in creating task force dedicated of enhancing the service efficiency. For transparency, we will implement on the stakeholders communication and engagement strategy, including details of communication plan and strategic stakeholders forum and online feedbacks from the online form survey that have been provided.
Okay, this sounds great to me. In terms of border security, what best practices we considering to enhance strategies for intercepting illicit activities. Well, we are to be mindful of our focus on enhancing maritime and airport strategy, which is crucial. But however, I would suggest integrating more advanced technology for surveillance and risk assessment. But additionally, we need to strengthen cooperation with the international border, and that can significantly enhance your effectiveness in preventing illegal activities.
Thank you. Very excellent advice. We will explore advanced surveillance technologies and work on enhancing our international partnership to bolster the border security. Also, we have a plan to enhance our maritime airport passenger and cargo strategies. Well, we are working closely on other border agencies for their cooperation with the border management strategy, and also we can implement their best practices through the arrangements from also with other borders of the countries. We are also aiming to use their data so that we can do the matching to our data system to improve the detection and responses. If I'll go further to the operationalizing these strategies as proposed the following initiatives. Customer service, just look through in front of you commerce strategy. Improve on customer service improvement program. Our objective is enhancing services efficiency and transparency. Our action plan that we have provided is develop a customer character, conducting survey, and form a task force to go out and help the customer service in our area. Stakeholder communication and engagement strategy, both objective and actions plan is also there. If there is anything that you want to say out, you can. That's our two main initiatives in our strategic plan that we have to pull on.
This initiative seems well thought out. How do you plan to measure their success?
Thank you. We will use the key performance indicators, the KPIs, such as customer satisfaction scores from the number of feedback submitted and the effectiveness of the disputes resolution process. We will also track the improvements of customer service metrics and stakeholder engagement levels. Well, if there's no other things from our initiatives, thank you both for your valuable inputs. We'll take your recommendation into account and finalize in our strategic plan. If there's no other further comments, would you like to proceed in obtaining a formal endorsement for the plans and also endorsement on the initiatives from the board? Do you support this proposal and have additional suggestions or concerns? Go around the table from my external stakeholders, please.
Like, as a taxation consultant, I support the initiatives. However, I recommend closely monitoring the implementation of data matching systems, which ensure the robust training for staff and involvement in border security. Your strategies are aligned with many international best practices, particularly in improving voluntary compliance and using technology. But however, I would recommend focusing more on data analytics to better understand taxpayer behavior and improving risk management. And additionally, consider adopting a more flexible approach to accommodate different industry needs.
Thank you for those suggestions. We will look into incorporating advanced data analytics in our strategies and also consider the flexible approaches for the industry's specific needs.
Thank you. I endorse the plan. My only suggestion is to ensure the customer service task force includes members from various departments and to get diverse perspectives.
Thank you both for your valuable feedbacks and endorsement. We will incorporate your suggestion into our plan and keep you on updating on the progress. If there's no other further questions or anything, I can conclude on the meeting.
Thank you for the presentation. Looking forward to the implementation.
Well, as for me also, thank you for the presentation, and I look forward to the outcomes and the initiatives.
Once again, thank you all for your time and input. Have a great evening. I'll forward you on the email our finalized of the strategic plan with the implementation of what you have just discussed in the meeting. Thank you.
Naka.
We forgot to introduce ourselves and